Romanios Gui, flying for three, Niven. Out of bounds, over and score. Boston. Aiko. Shot that down to 15. Moranko. Shot that down to 7. Let us know. That's still down. To Gui, so Romanios shot that down to 15. Romanios keep range pull up. Niven. Rebound by Paco. Brazil. Buladas small shot net down to 15. Buladas to one. Big pass. Right at that to one. Buladas Paul. That's Aringo. Target Buladas shot net down to 1. Aringo down to 10. Pass to Hanoi. Full slip. Buladas coast to coast. Lays over to two strong. Abantas to Romanios one. Abantas. Ayan Linas ng passing. Going sa kanan. Lays up 2 points. 30. Aringo. Shot that down to 15. Aringo. Save by. Linas to Romanios. Lays up 2 points. Romanios. Open for three. And 3 points. Ladesmo. Romanios. Drive. Pass to Gui. Save by Romanios to Gui. Pump. Spin. After Romanios. Steve Aringo. Where's the one versus the Aringo? Kumapana. Lays up. 2 points. Kumapana. Goes to lays up for 2 points. Here we go. Drive behind the pump. Fades away for 2. Ladesmo. Drive. Here's the place that Niven. Rebound by the Romanios. Put that shirt. Rebound by Uendo. Long passer. Michael Block. Ladesmo. Pass to look now. Drive. Pull up. Niven. Rebound by Romanios. Ladesmo open for 3. Short. Rebound by Ladesmo again. Drive. Lays up. Burst of Whistle. Paul. Pass to Hanoi. Pump. Pass to Moranko. Lays up. Rebound by Ladesmo. Close to goes. Deflected. Steve Aringo. Stop. Drive. Pass to Uendo. Drop step. Ball pass to Paul. Fades away for Jimmy. Rebound by Uendo. Fade to Paul. Sideline. Paul. Ladesmo. Long pass to Aringo. Moranko. Uendo. Drive. Niven. Pull up. Short. Rebound by Uendo. Quick back. Ladesmo drive. Here's the ball pass from the Romanios lays up 2 points. Ladesmo down to Ricardo drive. Pulls up opportunity. Picked back by Romanios. 2 points. Score. 13-14. 1 point lead by and score. Aringo to Paul. Pulls up for three. Abantas. Ladesmo. Drive. Pump. Fake. Pull up. Rebound by Romanios. Pass to Paul. Abantas. Shot that down to 15. Abantas pass to Ladesmo. Drive. Ball pass to you. Save by Ricardo. Corner 3. Air good. Rebound put back by Romanios. Yemundo, pulls up first three, shot left down to 15. Romanelius pulls up first three, nil, Limon by Galango. To Magpanoy, to Yemundo jump step, drive, next to Magpanoy, to Morecto, to Yemundo, to Tapoy, for three, nil, Limon by Noy, goes, lace up, fire! Pass to Magpanoy. Magpanoy drive, right in good. Limon by Apantas, Steve Alenco, drive, lace up, good. Limon by Magpanoy, to Magpanoy. And there's also possibly count for the first quarter. Down to 55, Oladasma. To Opantas, shot down to 50 seconds, and then down to 50. Romanelius lays up, 2 points, Roma.
Kating-kating, di ba?
Maghanapin, Yemundo, drive, fake, leaders, pull up, in and out, rebound by Romanelius, to Ledesma, goes, lays up, Steve by Sinapiana, pass to Armando. Seconds remaining for the first quarter. Down to 10. Opantas. To Ritada, down to 5. Ritada pulls up. Steve by Ledesma to look now, open for three. Nilgiri for Magpanoy. Aringo to Magpanoy goes to lays up. 2 points, Magpanoy. Drive, goes, block up third. Score 21-26. Shot left down to 15, Magpanoy. Esto, Aringo, drive, pass to Magpanoy, Magpanoy, sizing, left to Aringo, fire for three, Ledesma, that third over slowly, shot next down to third. The front end, Steve by Yemundo. Aringo, like Steve Romanelius, goes, lays up 2 points. Yemundo pump, deflected. Steve by following the first three. Morecto, Yemundo, step back for three. And so Opantas to Ledesma, easy to draw. Silakan, starting way up now. Silakan. And there's on the zone.